Yeah.
Does it feel to score a hat-trick and help your team secure the results today?
Well, it's a great feeling, you know, get my first Premier League hat-trick, you know, good team performance. So yeah,
Which one of the goals were your favorite out of the three?
I'll say probably the second one.
Second one.
Yeah, good hat-trick, good assist by Romeo Gochi, by the way. Yeah. So
Back-to-back goals in that game, yeah?
yeah.
What's contributed to this farm that you're in right now?
Well, you know, it starts from training, you know, all positive throughout the week. You just keep it positive.
How much hours are you spending in finishing training?
Well, probably right after training, probably like an extra half an hour. You know.
You think that's improving your game?
Yeah, definitely. Because we've been training hard and stuff, you know. So we get it right.
But you have been known for a striker who can score on both fields since you were at True Juice. Now you had Portmore in the Premier League, scoring the first hat-trick. I know you feel good overall, but what's the difference in regards to the level that you were playing back then versus the level you're playing now?
Well, I can see the level is much higher, you know. Competitive, you know. So you have much more competitive team and stuff like that. Yeah.
What you say? What you think you'd have improved on in your gameplay since then?
I'll say my strength, you know, yeah, and speed. Cause speed is my strength, you know.
Because in the Premier League it requires a lot of strength, a lot of physicality.
Yeah, definitely.
What's the goal target for the season?
Well, definitely double figure for sure, definitely.
Double figures?
Yeah.
10 a double figure?
Yeah, some don't know. So you know it's a double figure for sure, man.
How much goal you on right now?
You know, I'm 5.
5.
Yeah, 5.
Actually, the next game.
Hopefully.
With the upcoming Jamaica squad being announced, do you have any aspirations of being selected?
Of course, for sure, you know. You just continue to keep performing and hopefully see if we can get a call up, you know. Yeah.
How old are you?
21.
Is it fair?
Alright, thank you.
Alright.